Welcome to Infomedia. First, subscribe this channel for more videos. In this video, I introduced all the Prime Ministers of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, 1947 August 15 to 1964 May 27. Lal Bahadur Shastri, 1964 June 9 to 1966 January 11. Indira Gandhi, 1966 January 24 to 1977 March 24. Morarji Desai, 1977 March 24 to 1979 July 28. Charan Singh, 1979 July 28 1980 January 14. Rajiv Gandhi, 1984 October 31 to 1989 December 2. VP Singh, 1989 December 2 to 1990 November 10. Chandrasekhar, 1990 November 10 to 1991 June 21. PV Narasimha Rao, 1991 June 21 to 1996 May 16. AP Vajpayee, 1996 May 16 to 1996 June 1. HD Devagowda, 1996 May 16 to 1997 April 21. I.K. Gujral, 1997 April 21 to 1998 March 19. Manmohan Singh, 2004 May 22 to 2014 May 26. Narendra Modi, 2014 May 26 to incumbent. First Prime Minister of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. Born on 14th November 1889 at Allahabad in UP. He is the first Prime Minister of India. He was the longest serving Prime Minister of India. Known as Chachaji, Nehru used to write in the pen name Chanakya. His birthday November 14 is celebrated as Children's Day. He was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize by American Friends Service Committee. Quit India resolution was prepared by Nehru. He was the president of National Planning Board formed by Subhash Chandra Bose. The name Panchayat Raj was given by Gandhiji. Panchayat Raj was inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru on 2nd October 1959 at Nagpur district in Rajasthan. Nehru died on 27th May 1964. His resting place is Chandigarh. He formed Sevadal for social activities. Nehru was the political disciple of Gandhiji. These are some of the information about Jawaharlal Nehru. Next is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Born on 2nd October 1904 at Varanasi in UP. Man of Peace is known as the Man of Peace. The slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was raised by Lal Bahadur Shastri, Prime Minister during the India-Pak War. He died on 11th January 1966. First person to receive Bharat Ratna posthumously. He got Bharat Ratna in 1966. Resting place is Vijaygarh. Lal Bahadur Shastri is first Prime Minister to die in harness. Next is Indira Gandhi. Indira, born on 19th November 1917 at Allahabad in UP. Feroz Gandhi was her husband. She is also known as Indira Priyadarshini. This name was given to her by Amartya Sen. She became the president of INC, that is International Congress, in 1959. First woman to become Union Finance Minister. Only one woman to become the chairperson of the Planning Commission. First Rajya Sabha member to become Prime Minister. She nationalized 14 banks in 1969. She started 20-point program during the period of 5th Five-Year Plan. Simla Agreement was signed between Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto on 2nd July 1972. Indira Gandhi was killed on 31st October 1984. Resting place of Indira Gandhi is Chhattisgarh. She was awarded Olympic Order in recognition to the contributions given to the Delhi Asiad 1982. She was the Indian Prime Minister when the first nuclear explosion was conducted on 18th May 1974. November 19, the birthday of Indira Gandhi is observed as National Integration Day. October 31, the death day of Indira Gandhi is observed as National Rededication Day. Indira Gandhi is the Indian woman who was inscribed on postal stamp most number of times. First Prime Minister to be killed, Indira Gandhi. The commission which inquired about the killing of Indira Gandhi is the Thakur Commission. These are informations about Indira Gandhi. Next one, Morarji Desai. Born on 29th February 1896 in Gujarat. First non-Congress Prime Minister. First person to become the Prime Minister after becoming the Deputy Prime Minister. He celebrates his birthday every 4th year. He is the longest serving Finance Minister. He appointed Mandal Commission. Union Finance Minister to present the maximum number of budgets. Rolling plan was implemented during his tenure. Oldest Prime Minister of India. The first Prime Minister to resign. He died on 10th April 1995. Rest in place of Morarji Desai is Abhayaghat. Autobiography, Story of My Life. Next is Charan Singh. He was born on 23rd December 1902 in Uttar Pradesh. He became the Deputy Prime Minister in the Morarji Desai government in 1977. He is the only Prime Minister who was not to face Parliament during his tenure. He is the shortest serving Prime Minister of India. His birthday, December 23rd, is observed as the National Farmers' Day. He died on 29th May 1987. His resting place is Kisan Ghat. Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is situated in Lucknow. Next, Rajiv Gandhi. He was born on 20th August 1944. Youngest Prime Minister of India. He is known as the father of Indian IT. He is also known as the father of Navodaya Vidyalayas. 10+2+3 system of education was started during his tenure. Operation Blackboard was implemented during his tenure. He reduced the voting age to 18 years from 21 years. Anti-Defection Act was passed during his tenure. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was started. He inaugurated the Silent Valley National Park. Second Prime Minister to be killed. His birthday, August 20, is celebrated as Sadbhavana Day. His death day, May 21st, is celebrated as Anti-Terrorism Day. His resting place is Veerbhumi. He was killed by LTTE terrorists at Sriperumbudur, Tamil Nadu during his election rally on May 21st, 1991. His death day, May 21, is observed Anti-Terrorism Day. He got Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1991. Second Prime Minister to receive Bharat Ratna posthumously. The highest sports award in India, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, is named after him. These are some information about Rajiv Gandhi. It's also remember that the Prime Minister who is known as the father of Indian IT, Rajiv Gandhi, do not forget it. That's all the competition these questions are asking every time. The Prime Minister who is known as the father of economic reforms in India, P.V. Narasimha Rao. The father of economic reforms in India is the P.V. Narasimha Rao, and the father of Indian IT is the Rajiv Gandhi. Next, V.P. Singh. He was born on 25th June 1931 at Allahabad. He implemented Mandal Commission report to give reservation to the backward classes. First Prime Minister to resign following the non-confidence motion. He died on 27 November 2008. Autobiography, Manzil Se Saada Safar. The Prime Minister from royal family. Next, Chandrasekhar. He was born on 1st July 1927 in UP. He was known as the young Turk of Indian politics. First winner of Best Parliamentarian Award. Autobiography, My Jail Diary. He died on 8th July 2007. Rest in place, Ekada's